Ali, my name is Keilan Kenny. I'm from the islands of Palau. I'm a freshman here at Azusa Pacific University. Shout out to Cougars. Anyways, I'm here because I want to share simple message of hope. Can you believe we're entering a whole new decade? 2020 is like coming so soon. We're not really ready for it. Let's be honest with ourselves. Because especially for my peers, it's scary to think that we're about to try to find ways to be independent and whatnot, and it gives me anxiety thinking about it. But don't let that fear discourage you. The same power that raised Jesus from the dead is given to all of us, and therefore we have this eternal hope in our Christ, and everything will be okay. Even though death also may sound scary, but death doesn't have the final say. Jesus has the final say. So I'm gonna read a Bible verse before I will give you a special song. And this Bible verse is found in Psalm 33, verses 18 through 22. It says, "But the eyes of the Lord are on those who fear Him, and those whose hope is in His unfailing love, to deliver them from death and keep them alive in famine." We wait in hope for the Lord. He is our help and our shield. In Him our hearts rejoice, for we trust in His holy name. May your unfailing love be with us, Lord, even as we put our hope in You. Amen. So I will give you a special song, and this song is by Phil Wickham. My favorite part in this song is the third verse when it says, "Then came the morning that sealed the promise. Your buried body began to breathe. Out of the silence, the roaring lion declared, the grave has no claim on me." And it really shows that Jesus has the victory over death, and death really doesn't have the final say. So without further ado, I'm going to sing Living Hope by Phil Wickham. Thank you. Enjoy. How great the chasm that lay between us, how high the mountains I could not climb. In desperation I turned to heaven and spoke Your name into the night. And through the darkness, Your love and kindness, through the shadows of my soul, the work is finished, the end is written. Jesus Christ, my living hope. Who could imagine so great a mercy? What heart could fathom such boundless grace? The God of ages stepped down from glory to wear my sin and bear my shame. The cross has broken, I am forgiven. The King of Kings calls me His own. Beautiful Savior, I'm Yours forever. Jesus Christ, my living hope. Hallelujah, praise the One who set me free. Hallelujah, that has lost its grip on me. You have broken every chain. There's salvation in Your name, Jesus Christ, my living hope. Hallelujah, praise the One who set me free. Hallelujah, that has lost its grip on me. You have broken every chain. There's salvation in Your name, Jesus Christ, my living hope. Jesus Christ, my living hope. Then came the morning that sealed the promise. Your buried body began to breathe. Out of the silence, of mine. Oh, I played wrong. That was bad.
Okay.
The curse has broken. I am forgiven. The King of Kings calls me. So I played really wrong the whole time.
Why?
Yeah. Wait, I'll do it again. Oh, it's minor. Hallelujah, praise the one who set me free. Hallelujah, that has lost his grip on me. You have broken every chain. There's salvation in your name, Jesus Christ, my living hope. Jesus Christ, my living hope. Oh God, you are my living hope. Your name, Jesus Christ, my living hope. Oh God, you are my living hope. Oh God, you are my living hope.
All right. Tell us who you are.
My name is Keilan Kenny.
Where are you from?
I'm from Palau.
Okay. And what do you do in America?
I'm here for school.
What school do you attend?
Azusa Pacific University. I'm a
Oh.
freshman studying international relations and affairs.
Nice. Well, Keilan, thank you for blessing us. All right. Bye.
Bye. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.